he really does got bigger titties. Is it really got big titties? Oh, yes. Yeah. Oh, I know. Look, I think I feed you too much. Look at your big chest. You've got a big chest, Bubba. Yeah, you does. Yeah, you got a big chest, Bubby. I know. I know. How about that? Crazy. Mummy not feed you? Should Mummy not feed you? Yeah, I don't think Mummy feeds you anymore. No. Oh, no. I know. I know. It's terrible. Oh, I know. You're going to have to wear a bra soon. You're going to have to wear a bra. No? No. Really? Maybe not. Okay, maybe not. Really? Oh.